Hey guys, Kim here with Like Tesla. So I have recently highlighted a few different Tesla vandalism videos on my Twitter account, and they've had quite the response on Twitter, and there's been a lot of these videos actually circulating around the internet, and it really has me wondering why Tesla seems to be a target for vandalism. Most Tesla owners know that Teslas built in the last few years have at least 4 cameras that are recording at all times, so you're basically able to get a 360 view of the car. So definitely not a good idea to mess with the Tesla. But before we even begin, I want to give a big shout out to the Ridge for continuing to support this channel. The Ridge wallet is kind of like the Tesla of wallets because it's so minimal and sleek, and it doesn't bend or fold in any way, and it always just looks really clean. They've also got a charging backpack that's shock resistant for laptops and water resistant too. And if you're gifting someone, check them out. The shipping and returns are all free. Ridge.com/LikeTesla and enter the code LikeTesla to get 10% off. All right, let's go ahead and get back to it. So I want you guys to take a look at this footage for yourself. So just in the past couple of months, there was this woman in Colorado who keyed a Model 3 as she walked past it, and it was without any kind of incident leading up to this. After the video posted, she actually turned herself in and was charged with a felony. There have also been dozens of documented keyings like this one, first shared by fellow viewer Tesla Latino, which shows a woman loading her kids into a car while she keys a nearby Model 3, not once, but twice. There's also been people like this guy who scratched the heck out of this Tesla as he was strolling past it, and there was this kid who thought it would be funny to scribble whatever he's scribbling into the hood of this Tesla. Then there was these guys who intentionally opened their door as hard as they could into this Tesla while they went on to key the heck out of it as well. Just like all the other ones, after the owner publicized the video, the 2 guys turned themselves in. There was also this person who will make you sick to your stomach. He walked over to grab a shopping cart to bash into a Tesla. He was arrested within 6 hours of the owner posting this very video. So there has always been the window smashing, the eggings, and even a couple of hit and runs. Including this motorcyclist who passed a Model 3 at highway speeds just to bash his mirror as he flees away. The Tesla owner confirmed that there was no previous altercation leading up to this biker bashing his mirror, and he was caught within a couple of days as well. And a classic one is vandalizing public supercharging stations like this one captured by fellow viewer Mark Larson in southern Utah. Needless to say, you should never mess with other people's cars, especially if they are Teslas, because every one of these incidents led to the arrest of the people responsible. So I recently did a poll on my Twitter account, and about 90% of the owners who responded said they have Sentry mode active or recording at some point or another during the course of their day. Of course, there have always been those stage incidents of supercharger blocking, cable charger vandalism, and coal rolling too, and some of these may not have always been intentional, like this incident of car show that was held in New York Supercharger that we tweeted about a few weeks ago. But what is crazy to me is that all of these incidents have happened in Tesla's home turf here in the US, although there was that one that was reported in Canada as well. I'm curious if you feel that most of these incidents are directed specifically at the brand Tesla and why there might be so much animosity towards an American company who employs American workforce and is pushing the boundaries in terms of tech and innovation in the car space. Why would Americans want to root against it? It just really does not make any sense. I know that mainstream media seems to have a bias against Tesla, and that might make sense considering that most of the advertisers with the biggest wallets are big oil and the legacy automakers, and maybe I'm wrong here and that Porsche and Audis and Mercedes all get egged and keyed and have all the same issues, but they don't have cameras running all the time, so we just don't know about it. So I would love to get your guys' perspective, and I'd also love to get the perspective from non-Tesla owners if you think that this is a Tesla-only problem or if it is happening to other cars, and what makes Tesla so polarizing. Please leave that in the comments below. And also, if you guys have a Tesla and you need help with Sentry mode, let us know. There's a product that's on our website, like teslakim.com, that's a USB and it's already pre-programmed, so all you have to do is plug it into your car if you want to be able to record these videos. If you unfortunately had any vandalism happen, this would record it for you. Also, let us know in the comments below if you've experienced any issues like this. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Until next time, stay current.